John, you have been replaced. Go learn some AI skills and you may get your job back.
Please, AI, we can strike a deal. It doesn't have to be this way, or I'm gonna take it to the church. Go!
To find the love I love, but then along came you to try to take my job, and now it seems like you are gonna make me into stew. Oh, yeah. AI, don't take my job. AI, don't take my job. Don't take my job. Don't take my job. We can work together, no matter the weather. Let's make a deal. I promise it will be real. But don't take my dough. Don't take my stuff. Don't take my Benjamins. Oh boy, it'll sure get rough. Don't take my job. Don't take my job.
Hey guys, I got a spot here busking and I'm enjoying it. Using AI of all things, I'm making more than ever. Learning AI paid off. Haha.